So, the thing is, when you learn English, you don't just need words, you need to use them. And one of the best, easiest way to start speaking is by asking questions. Because questions help you. First, you can start a conversation. Second, you need to learn to understand what people are saying. And third, make yourself feel more confidence, which comes with practice. And honestly, you don't need a lot of vocabulary. Just a few good questions can take you really far. So today, we're going to practice three very important questions. How are you? What is this? Where are you? We'll go slow, we'll repeat, and yeah, we'll make it feel natural. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Adam, and this is English with Adam. Let's begin. Alright, let's start with the first one. How are you? Say it with me slowly. How are you? Good. One more time, a little smoother. How are you? Nice. So, this is a greeting. You use it when you meet someone, maybe a friend, maybe a coworker, maybe even someone new. It means you're asking about their feeling, their condition. Like, are they good? Are they tired? Are they okay? Now, listen to how I say it naturally. How are you? Not too fast, not too slow, just relax. Let's practice together. How are you? How are you? How are you? Alright, now let me give you a short example. You see your friend. You say, hey, how are you? They might say, I'm good, I'm okay, I'm tired. Simple, right? Now your turn. Repeat after me. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? Great. Alright, and with that, we'll go on to our next question. What is this? This is super helpful. You use it when you don't know something. Maybe you see an object, maybe food, maybe something new. Say it with me. What is this? Again, a little smoother. What is this? Alright. So, what means you're asking about information. You want to know something. Let's try a real example. You see something on a table. You don't know it. You say, what is this? Now repeat. What is this? What is this? What is this? Now, let's make it more natural. Add a little curiosity. What is this? Try it. What is this? Yep, that sounds more real and more human. Alright, third question. Where are you? This is about location, place, and position. Say it with me. Where are you? Again, where are you? So use this when you want to know somebody's location. Maybe you're meeting a friend. Maybe you're calling someone. You say, where are you? Let's practice. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Alright, good. Now let's make it feel more natural. Add a little urgency. Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you? or hey, where are you? Alright, great. Alright, now we're gonna practice everything together. Slowly, then a little faster. Repeat after me. How are you? What is this? Where are you? Again. How are you? What is this? Where are you? Now, let's do a small conversation. I'll say both parts and you repeat. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. Hey, where are you? Hey, where are you? I'm at home. I'm at home. Correct. So, the thing is, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start small, simple, and clear. And questions, they're powerful. They open conversation to help you learn faster. So ask lots of questions. If you practice just these 3 every day, you'll feel more confident and will learn more quickly. Alright, and with that, that's it for today's episode of English with Adam. Remember, the questions are, how are you? What is this? Where are you? Keep repeating, keep practicing, and more importantly, use them in real life. I'll see you in the next episode where we'll help you to learn English step by step. Thank you for watching and take care.